So what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna recap Tuesday's trades. I took 2 trades on Tuesday, 2 longs, so let's break them down for you guys. So to start off, my bias, I was looking for longs. Why was I looking for longs? We're trading at all-time highs, as you can see. Trading at all-time highs, so I was like, okay, I don't want to be shorting at all-time highs, so I was like, okay, sure, gonna look for longs. Also, we were pretty, we were like accumulating manipulation down, so I was like, okay, might see a distribution to the upside again. So I was like, okay, looking for longs. So first trade I took was a loss. I'm gonna recap that also because yeah, I do take losses, of course. First trade was this one. Why did I take this? The NWAG got filled. Let's mark the NWAG out for you guys real quick. The new week opening gap got filled. The new week opening gap got filled right here. Hello? Yeah, okay, got filled right here. So okay, that was the key level, like the bearish drawn liquidity, the key level I was using to look for longs. Got filled, boom. After that I was looking for longs. Super nice inversion, good momentum, like in 2 candles, basically 1, 2, around that. Yeah, it was looking good in my opinion, bro. It was a super nice setup, looking good, but unfortunate. I got a stop loss. My break-even point on this trade was right here. Didn't get the break-even, all good. So yeah, that was my L. Why did I take this? Because of the N-walk, but also if you draw out the range right here. If you draw out the range, we were exactly at OTE. And we were rejecting off of OTE. I was like, okay, that looks nice, that looks nice. So I was like, okay, damn. Yeah, it's loss, not a bad trade in my opinion. In hindsight, you could say it's a bad trade because we didn't like instantly reject out of the end walk. But yeah, in my opinion, I was in the live markets and I saw it and I was like, damn, looks pretty good. But yeah, you can't have 100% win rate. So yeah, that was it. After that, I was still looking for longs, but now I saw this uh, daily where are we? Daily imbalance. I was like, okay, damn, we tapped this daily imbalance, but price wanted to get another uh, to balance out another level, which was this daily imbalance, also sweeping out this liquidity and making a major S&T right here. Voila. Major S&T right there. So it's like, okay, damn, super nice rejection on the 1 minute, as you can see. Super nice rejection, nobody closes below. You have 2 scenarios in this case. Or we get an instant rejection like we have here, or we get a small rejection, resweep of the low, resweep, and then go up. That's another scenario that can happen. Yeah, in this case it was the first scenario, so like instant rejection, super nice close, like 1 candle basically. Yeah, I entered stops below the close below or um, stops close below the inversion or disrespecting OTE, as well as here stops. My hard stop was close below the inversion, but my stops were close below the inversion, but I had a hard stop below OTE. But yeah, we closed below the inversion right here, so I closed right here. That was it. Here's the same thing. Stops below the OTE level, as well as protecting this low. So it's like, okay, nice, that looks good. Nice stop loss. My break-even point was this high. 1 minute into the trade, we already got broke even. So I was okay, nice, 1 minute in the trade, and I already see break even. Okay, nice, super nice. After that, I had 1 TP, which were these equal highs aligning with the 50-minute imbalance right here, and also aligning with 50% of this range, as you can see. Boom. Yeah, didn't get it. We were chopping, so that's why I took a small partial, like 1/3 of my position, I think. Why did I take a partial? Because we had the 5-minute OB right there. It's like, okay, we might see a rejection out of that. Yeah, and we did. We actually rejected out of the 5-minute OB. It's like, okay, we were right here chopping around. I was like, okay, let's take a small partial here. Like maybe I think I took it around here, somewhere around there. So yeah, still ended negative on the day because I took a bigger loss here. I de-risked after my loss. So I was like, okay, also took a small partial. So I still took a loss, a losing day, but You can win them all. Plus, it was like a small red tail, like minus half an hour. So it's like minus half an hour. So it's like, okay, 0.5 hour. I don't really care. Yeah, that was it. My drawn liquidity also equal highs here. Chopping then took me out at break even. As you can see, super unfortunate. After that, we went to my TP. Yeah, it happens. You can't win them all. My bias was right. Everything was right. Just the executions were off. Yeah, super hard week of PA this week because of the news and Powell speaking and market open, like weird things happening. Yeah, all good. You can't win them all. So those were my two trades, guys. Two long positions, 5R and 10R. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.